Okay, so let's see how is it possible to get to this point. Okay, so here you've seen that by just importing some text files, we were able to extract a lot of structured data out of this unstructured text, but just with a click of a button, right? Now, how do we set up this type of project? So in the dashboard page, you have this new project option. If you click it, you are redirected to the new project page. And here, let's create a new project which will annotate forum posts, right, written by patients, right? So we'll just put in a title for the project. We'll select how we want the tasks to be served to the annotators in sequential order or randomly, according to the assignment. Usually it's good practice to add a description for your project so that you'll be able to correctly identify it in case you are participating in many projects and you have a lot of very crowded dashboard. And also here you can add project instructions or annotation guidelines. Those are important for your annotation team so that they are able to align their work and the way they annotate based on those instructions. I can tell you more about those at a later time, but for the moment, let's just set up the project.